Welcome everyone, Scrembo here with another video on 27th of January. Solana on our board. For those of you looking forward for a price analysis and technical details, let's stick together till the end, guys. In the meantime, make sure to follow my main YouTube channel where I have videos of trading, technicals, proofs of live trading, and everything that is important, indicators, strategies, a whole lot of other things, guys. Now, talking about Solana news sector, well, there's this discussion once again just about a price, which is obviously not like a news type of a sector. It is not bringing us any additional value in terms of information if it speaks around a sideways movement or 26% correction. We have a possibility of a whale alert. There is new standards around the NFTs. We have all sorts of rallies and percentages and discussions of pumping and whatnot toward $30. And then at the same time, Solana reaches important level as network hits new milestone. That could be something a little more potent, but at the end of the day, there is nothing here substantial in the sector. Basically, this website is scrapping all the informations from all the other news websites and magazines and putting it together related to the keyword of Solana. For example, let's get into the technicals, but not before. I'd like to share with you, for those of you which are interested in education in order to increase your skills or basically generate your skills of being a profitable trader for the long run. ScremboCoaching.com is the private coaching program directly with me between 4 to 6 weeks where we'll learn how to trade intensively. There is a video here explaining how it works. You can register now for more information. This page basically describes how the program is actually functioning. At the same time, for those of you which are not interested in trading for yourself, but you would like to join my trades, which we're doing through API connection, and there is just a percentage of the profits charged. There is no upfront fee for this. We don't charge anything upfront. We are trading, we're performing the trades, and we are basically taking that specific percentage. It's all on scrembocoaching.com/today. More information can be discovered in these two links from the description area or comments area. Now, Solana right here on 15-minute candlesticks, guys, there's a whole lot of things that I wanted to share with you. Now, we have the XABCD triangle form. This is the pattern which has played out so far quite well. Now, there is also a strong channel downwards, out of which we broke out here. That breakout was significant. Another confirmation of the breakout appears right there after the retest, and one more confirmation appears right there after the retest. So that's the third basically reaction on previous resistance line, because it acted to push us down. Currently support after the breakout. The D field is basically holding the markets as of now, so we're looking forward having a movement that should be strong towards the golden pocket of the resistance right here in between the two yellow lines. We should get some faith going around that specific direction. Now, we'll see what's happening, because we had a reaction on the D letter of the pattern. So the D point played out so far. Now, obviously, we didn't have that type of a pump, yet it's most likely a very slow uptrend in this direction. What is around the MACD, the KMACD, which is a different type of a MACD other than the classic one? Well, since this point, it wants to build up, but the pressure seems to be pretty slow, right? The pressure seems to be pretty slow. We're having to deal with the ground level of the index, which is at 0. We're exactly right there. This blue line, which might act as a resistance that we're having to deal with. So we'll see basically in the way it will react in this field if it comes back, because then you form a higher low on the KMACD and you continue forward. You need to crush the 0 index level efficiently. This is everything around Solana for the moment of the 15-minute candlesticks. It is quite impressive in the way it has acted on technically pretty much everywhere, including the support. Look at that. This support here with the B point, including the trending line reaction, that was major, guys. That was impressive. If you're asking me, that's huge. Like, The amount of buying pressure that has been put into generated a 13.81% into Solana from that point in about 20 hours and 30 minutes. So in less than a day to make 13%, imagine on a $100,000 position, that's $13,000. By the way, Solana paid extremely well in the past month, successfully generating major revenues for anyone that participated into either spot trading or leverage trading. That's all, folks, for today of 27th of January on Solana. Once again, for those of you that care about your education and think that based on your skills you can improve your results, which is true because the results are generated by something, the results of your trading activity, the results of your trading performance. Now that's generated by your skill levels. You need to have a really comprehensive perspective towards the whole thing. We have a whole lot of other things in our coaching and program. Yep, that's all, guys. Looking forward to it. Links are in the description area and comments there. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. We'll talk to you soon.